Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the ASMR promo effects. All you have to do is to go to this website called Higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account if you do not have one. Go to Higgsfield apps, then click on ASMR promo. Now once you do that, you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to actually create a promotional video for your business. Now you can see there's a character eating these noodles, and you can create a similar one. Let me play so you see how the video sounds
New
like.
orange flavor.
Okay, so what you have to do now is to just upload your character image, so the male or female figure you want, or it could even be an animation. So you can upload the picture here, then upload your product's image. You should have one, and then you should upload it here. After that, you can now go on to type what you want your character to say in this box, then click on generate video. It should take some time, but after that your video would be ready